So I got this computer I'm selling. Actually, the buyer is going to be here in probably about 30 minutes. Hopefully they don't come earlier. But I wanted to kind of share this little trick and this product that I use to kind of take old dingy cases and make them shine a little bit, and it lasts. So this one in particular, I have bought this one, and it had its normal dinginess and dirt and grime. I cleaned it off, and then when you clean it, it just looks faded and doesn't have that shine. And when I sell a computer, I like it to shine. But not only do I like it to shine, I like it to last. And by using this product and this method, I've been able to get these computers shining. I've had them come back 6 months later for just some upgrades or some random stuff, and it still looks brand spanking new. So let me show you what I do. So the perfect candidate for this is this guy right over here. So this is the amsoil Mudslinger, and if you watch my other channel, DLM Garage, I do a lot of car stuff, but one thing I like to do is make my interior shine, the engine shine, everything looks good. I saw this, I've been using it on my vehicles, it works fantastic. I started using it on my computer cases, and I was just blown away of how well it makes this thing shine, bring it back to life, and last more than a couple of days, couple of weeks. I've been up to 6 months, and this thing makes things shine very well. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put a piece of tape just right across over here. And that way you'll be able to see the shine line and kind of get a before and after. So now with this stuff, all I do is I just give it a light spray, just like so. Now, I haven't used it on electronic components, so kind of at your own risk at that. But I'll cover this up and all that stuff, but just nice and easy. And it smells really good, like cherry. Let it sit for about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe it, and you'll see the big difference. So while that's drying, kind of show you what it is. So amsoil Mudslinger repels mud and dirt, speed cleanup, protects against UV rays, which we're not worried about that, but restores color and luster. And the biggest thing about it is that, like I said, it lasts. So after several minutes, it kind of dries, and you just wipe off the excess and just kind of, rub it in. A microfiber towel works best, especially a clean one. Now, a suggestion I do make first is that make sure you clean this before you put that stuff in. You don't want to embed it, and it kind of helps gets rid of all that grime and stuff. But you just wipe it in, and like so, as you can see, look how shiny that is. Looks really good. Wiping my fingers on it. No oil marks, no stains, it's not smearing. And you can see it's shiny, it's dull, but check this out. Look at the difference. I mean, that's flipping awesome. And to kind of show proof of concept that this stuff doesn't leave a film or anything that, could get sticky or stuff. The non-treated side is still non-treated. This doesn't spill over, so works great, works fantastic. A lot of people I know, and this trick I used to use, did the WD-40 method, in which that would kind of do it. But the problem with the WD-40 method is that after a while, it just attracted a lot of dirt and grime, and it looked really bad. So, and it doesn't last. This works really good. It lasts, like I said, up to 6 months already. Works pretty good. And if you leave it in for 15 minutes, it actually shines even more. So we only did about 5 minutes. So if you're like me, and you flip and deal with old computers, or you just want to give your computer a nice little shine, check this stuff out. It's $12. Amsoil website. Works great. I've been using this for a while, and definitely something to kind of help make the computer look more presentable. So thanks for watching, and see what I come up with next.